Granted, I am a little tired today because I did not get enough sleep last night, but that is not going to stop me from reacting to the ABS-CBN divas singing I Believe I Can Fly. The only diva that I am sure will be there is the queen herself, Regine Velasquez Alcacid. So I am ecstatic to be discovering with you guys the other divas that will be joining her on ASAP Natin To. If you are new to the channel, welcome! Maligayang pagbabalik sa akin channel. My name is Ovela. I'm a sound engineer, beat maker, and content creator on YouTube. And with that being said, let's jump right into it. Woo! Okay, that's a lot of divas on one stage for one song? My gosh!
I used to think that I could not go on, that life was nothing but another song.
That's a lot of artists for one song, so I feel like they will all get to sing a tiny portion of the song. So far so good, but I feel like Regine is not putting her heart into the song yet, you know?
Now I know the meaning of true love. I'm leaning on the everlasting love.
Much better.
I can see it.
What's her name again?
I can do.
Ah, what's her name again? I forget. But I know that she is a judge on Tawag ng Tanghalan, and I have reacted to her in the past, but right now, I forget her name. Because, to be honest with you guys, I do not see her perform enough, especially compared to the other divas.
If I just believe it, then there's nothing to it.
Yeah.
If I can fly.
Okay, Jonaline Verrey. I have reacted to her enough to never forget her name. And you know, she's back. Like, she is legit back. She was absent during the pandemic, but now she is back performing strong.
I believe I can touch the sky. Think about it.
Hey!
every day.
Here's another one that I don't see perform enough as well. Clarice de Guzman, who also is a Tawag ng Tanghalan judge. And she's a beast. Seriously, she's an underrated beast vocalist.
Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar.
I almost did not recognize her. That's Sharon Regis, right? She's also a legend.
See me running through that open door. I believe I can fly. I believe I can.
This girl, she's the cutest. Seriously, she is definitely the cutest. I would put her on the same level as Morissette on the cute scale, you know? Like, Morissette is like my favorite real life emoji. She's close to her, man. And I've been seeing her a lot more on ASAP and ABS-CBN in general. She is the opera singing girl, right? That I discovered while I was reacting to, TikTok and Facebook clips that you guys suggested me for my random Filipinos that go viral on social media, right? That's her. She's so freaking talented. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Ah! Wow. Man, this girl, she could be a top model as well, you know? Like, people know her as a singer and everything, but bruh, she's gorgeous. Sheena Bellarmino, who, to be honest with you guys, got better at singing with time. The first few years when I just discovered her, I was not sold on her talent. But now, man, I feel like she is able to control her voice a lot better, especially her deep voice. She has matured vocally.
Sometimes the silence can seem so loud.
Beautiful. Oh my gosh! Oh! It's the beautiful Fana! She's my girl, man. Her too, man. If she weren't like a singer, she could be a top model. She's gorgeous. She's one of those who loves to riff and run and scale all the time. But to be honest with you guys, I feel like she's one of those Filipina artists who, although love to overdo it with the riffs and runs, she controls them really well. Hey! My favorite life emoji is here. Yes, Morissette Amon is part of the group. For once, you know, because bruh, I do not see her on stage, on the ABS-CBN stage enough, you know? So the few times when she appears, I am ecstatic. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah. Give me that grill, girl. Flexing on them. Flexing on them. So how many divas in total? I think it's 9 divas in total. So 4 on the left, 4 on the right, and of course Regine Velasquez in the middle, because you know, the queen, the legend. There is a nice symmetry. And the harmony. All right. Okay, so Regine Velasquez is leading the charge for this song, so that is why she's the one with the most words for the song, you know? She has a larger place on this track compared to the others. Like, the other singers are like her backup vocalist in a way, but I honestly think that they give them all enough to shine. I think her voice is a little tired. It's cracking, man. And I have been noticing that lately with Regine Velasquez. Maybe she is being overworked. I don't know, but I feel like her voice needs to rest. Because I feel like not only does she work for ABS-CBN, so she's a regular performer on stage, but she does concerts as well. So man, she is training her voice. And yet. Woo! Oh, was that Jona with that high-pitched note? Oh, that was nice. You know, I feel like the only place in the world where they do this type of thing, where they gather, you know, like a bunch of belters together on one stage to sing one song and all sing the same part together and harmonize and belt and everything. I feel like the only place in the world where they do that is in the Philippines, because the love for big songs and ballads and belting, you know, in the Philippines is very much loved, you know. I really like, there are other Southeast Asian, you know, countries that love singing almost as much as the Philippines, but I really don't think that they do this kind of stuff. They just don't. Hey, Maury! Woo! Okay, I don't know who is doing what. There are way too many divas on stage. I feel like Sharon Regis and the opera girl, I heard like an operatic voice, you know, at some point. So I think they're the two that are, you know, belting extremely high. Wow! Yo, I mean, it wasn't perfect, and for someone who is not used to this kind of entertainment, like the way I wasn't when I started reacting to Filipino singers, I was confused, man. I was like, why do they do this? Like, my ears were not used to this, man. Now they have become used to it, and they kind of understand the harmonies and the composition of one song, where you have to give multiple parts of the song to multiple artists, you know. And honestly, it wasn't perfect, but it was close to it, man. I think they did a fantastic job. This is a very, very difficult exercise in my opinion, and I wonder how often and how many times did they have to practice this specific performance before the official night and performance of the song, you know? They were all great, to be honest. I don't have a favorite. I mean, it's easy to choose Regine Velasquez in this case because, like I said, she was the one leading the charge, but they all did a great job in my opinion. Let me know in the comment section below if you have a favorite and if you've enjoyed this performance. Maraming salamat po. And of course, if you found value in this video, do not hesitate to check out my other reaction videos right here.